The atmosphere is drying up. While the dry weather warnings remain in eastern regions, there is also a severe wildfire crisis warning level in the southern areas. Please take extra precautions. With gusty winds blowing, it is very important not to cause any fires. The concentration of ultrafine dust stayed at bad levels all over the country today. It will get a bit better in some places tomorrow, but the Seoul metropolitan area, the Chungcheong-do provinces, Busan and Ulsan will stay at bad levels. Tomorrow morning, Seoul will start off at 6 degrees Celsius, Busan at 11 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 21 degrees in Seoul and Chuncheon, 25 degrees in Daejeon and Gwangju. On Wednesday, it will start to rain from the south and spread across the country on Thursday. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.